Gross negligence manslaughter. This is where the defendant never intended to cause death or serious injury, therefore it lacks the mens rea of murder. This can be committed by an omission. An omission is where an act can occasionally amount to the actor's rare of a crime. The general rule is there is no liability for a failure to act. The exceptions of omission are statutory duty. This is in some situations there is a statutory duty to act. Contractual duty, if a person owes a contractual duty to a person and a failure to meet this contractual duty may result in criminal liability. This can be shown in R.V. Pitwood, where the doctor... This can be shown in R.V. Pitwood. Duty imposed by law. An actus reus can be committed by an omission. There are three situations. An omission where there exists a duty imposed by law. There are three situations where this occurs: creating a dangerous situation and failing to put it to rights. R.V. Miller. This is where the judge defines... This is where the defendant started a chain of events which caused actual bodily harm. Assumption of responsibility. This can be shown in R.V. Stone and Dobson. This is where they failed to get medical care for a relative who came to stay. Or a misconduct in a public office. An omission can also be classed as part of a continuing act, as shown in the case of Fagan vs MPC. Gross negligence manslaughter was laid down. It was laid down in R.V. Adamoko that the concept of duty of care should apply in the criminal liability of gross negligence manslaughter. The three elements that are in the test of disregarding of life and safety of others that goes beyond matter of compensation are that you owed a duty of care, breached the duty, and the defendant's conduct was so bad that the jury's opinion says that it amounts to crime.